Let's talk about the HydroStick and let's talk about the LeakStick. Again, they're very similar, but they do totally two different things. Let's talk about the HydroStick first. It has the XLR connector. So again, this works with deck plate. It works with a soil probe. It also works with any of the mics. So the side mic, the which is the SM1. It works with the pipe mic or the pool scopes. Now, the difference between this and the LT1000, like again, it's personal preference. These are newer. These are what guys are eating up. They love this stuff. And I'll tell you why. It's push to listen. No more muting, no more having to mute, no more hanging it around your neck. It's fully rechargeable. So again, you don't have to add that AA batteries. Just recharge it before use. Again, you could probably get about 6 to 10 pool complete leak detection uses out of it. And again, headphones literally plug right into the headphone port. That's the charging port. That's the headphone port. When you turn it on, it's going to give you your power light. And again, plug any one of your accessories in and just push to listen. But now let me tell you a little bit about the LeakStick, which is totally different as far as this is a contact mic. This is a microphone for accessories as far as XLR connectors, and this is more of a contact mic. So again, we could use it with these plates. We could get it and use it in hard to reach areas with the contact mic on it. With our soil probes, we could listen in the grassy areas and in the landscape areas, or we could listen with the hard over deck plates and over anything that where we're actually creating those noises with the pressure rig in order to listen. Again, it's fully rechargeable. When you turn it on, power lights up. You got a low battery indicator, just like you do with the HydroStick. Again, this is your plug for automatic charging, and it comes with the charger, your headphone jack, and your volume control. Again, this is always muted. It's always push to listen. Get over where you want to go, push to listen, and then move on. Let me show you how we use the HydroStick. I'm going to pair it up with the pipe mic. I'm going to listen right in the spa venturi right now. So again, plug it right into the XLR, goes in and connects. We don't have to mute this thing because again, we have to push to listen. So it's always in mute. Turn our volume up comfortably to a nice comfortable spot. As a matter of fact, when we're not using this, we could just literally plug that. Okay, so we're going to put my headphones on. And we're going to actually put this into where we want to listen. We're going to listen way back into the spa venturi. Again, it's a pipe mic, so we could push it back in. Right there, we're hitting the venturi. We're going to push to listen. Not hearing anything on this one, so we're ready to move on to the next. This is an example of how we use the LeakStick. Remember, when we're using any contact mic, we're using the LeakStick. When we're using it with the deck plate or using it with the soil probe itself, we have it under pressure. We're never just listening to a pool in its normal condition. So if we have a leak in a line in between, let's say, a return and the equipment over grassy areas, again, here, our contact mic's screwed in. So it's literally screwed in. It's nice and snug. Everything's on. Again, when we start to listen, we're going to push to listen. I'm going to show you how we do that. So again, get it to a comfortable volume. Going to get it over my ears, and we're going to get it literally in the grass, and we're going to push, and we're going to listen. Right now, volume's up a little bit much, so I'm going to back it down a little bit. And we're going to listen as we go. So we're going to touch. And remember, a lot of guys want to stick this thing all the way down into the ground. It's completely not necessary. Get a nice, comfortable touch it to the ground, and then move on. That's really it. Again, you're moving in about 1 foot intervals. While it's under pressure with the pressure rig, somebody's running air, water combo, and we're listening. It goes something like this. So aside using the soil probe in grassy areas, soil areas, we could also use it in landscape and rock areas. Again, I have guys that like to literally put this thing right on a deck and actually listen without using the deck plate, whatever you're comfortable with. It's a very sensitive microphone. And again, but when we listen in the rocky areas, we're going to lower our volume, get it to a good comfortable level, push to listen, and again, move on. Again, this is only when we're running air-water combo and we're listening for that specific boil. All right, so with the LeakStick, besides listening in the grassy areas, the rock areas, and the landscape areas, we could use the deck plate with the HydroStick, But we could also use the LeakStick with this other accessory as well. We could use this for listening over general decks, but I like to literally screw that on, and now we have a really good contact mic. And this is good for tight listening spots. Sometimes where it's hard to get the other plate in. So if we're listening behind the line, we will literally push it in, reach down, push our button, and push to listen. Again, in hard to reach areas that are a little bit harder to reach than they are with the actual deck plate. And again, we could get ourselves into some pretty tight areas in a pretty quick amount of time. So again, just hold it on, push, listen, and move on.